Welcome back to my channel, Elves and Belle at your service! And also, Baby Belle! In today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to play Jessie by Taylor Swift. Every song is requested by Sakura Kenomoto, Flor de Lisa Flores, and Elaine Montes. If you are interested watching my full-length tutorial on how to play this song, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it coming out soon. Before we proceed to our lesson, shout out to Trixie Amaris Trinidad and Betsy Boluson of Davao City, and also to Hannah Shuni Perez, Corina Pradilla, Marjorie Tampus, Jan Rom, Rod Horbina, Bernabe Hogalbot, Jeffer Comanda, Gestoni de Jesus, Aster Bangod, Joyce Bravo of Cebu City. Maayong pagtanaw sa inyong kanandiha. At hindi na po natin patatagalin ang ating lesson. Grab your guitar and let's begin! First chord, C major. First fret, second string, second fret, fourth string, third fret, fifth string. C major. Next, C over B. Same position, C, then remove this one on this ring finger. On the first fret, second string, second fret, fifth string, C over B. Next, A minor. On the first fret, second string, second fret, string number 4 and string number 3. A minor. A minor over G, optional. Kung gusto nyo pong gamitin. So, release nyo lang po itong ring finger. Then, on a third finger, string number 6. A minor over G. Skip string number 5. Okay. F major. On the first fret, hold like this. On the second fret, string number 3. On the third fret, string number 5 and 4. 5 and 4. Hold like this. Beginner, you can use F major 7 para hindi kayo hirap sa pag-play ng F. First fret, string number 2. Second fret, string number 3. Third fret, string number 4. F major 7. Skip string number 5 and 6. Just hit string number 4, 3, 2, and 1. G major. Second fret is string number 5. Third fret, string number 6 and number 1. Hold like this. Optional, if you want to learn G4, just release pinky finger and ring finger, G4 on the first fret, second string. Skip string number 1 and 5. String 1 and 5. Okay, G4. Six, 5, 4 and 2. G4. Next, G suspended. Same G position, G major position. Then just add on a second fret string number 2. String number 2. G sus. F minor. Release middle finger. Same position po sa F major. On the first fret, hold like this. On the third fret, string number 5 and 4. 5 and 4. Hold like this. F minor. Next, D major. Second fret, string number 1 and 3. Hold like this. Third fret is string number 2. D major. Skip number 6 and number 5 string. A major. On the second fret, string number 4, 3, and 2. Optional, A over C sharp. Okay? A over C sharp, just release ring finger, hold like this. On the second fret, string number 4 and 3, hold like this. Using your ring finger on the fourth fret, C sharp. Okay, C sharp. A over C sharp. Next, B minor. Second fret, string number 1 and 2, hold like this. Third fret, string number 2. Fourth fret, string number 4 and number 3. 4 and 3. B minor. Skip string number 6. Next, E minor. Second fret is string number 5 and 4. Hold like this. Next, F sharp minor. Second fret, string number 1, 2, 3, and number 6. Hold like this. F sharp minor, and using your thumb, skip string number 5 and string number 4. Okay. Down, strum, down, down, strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Again with chords. With chords on bridge, which is A minor. With chords A minor to G, which is 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 bar. Then after G is F major chords, downstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then F minor chord downstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I was walking on one broken cobblestones, just thinking of you. She pulled up, afraid that all my worst intentions. She said, "Change getting less bright. Those days of ways and nights slept next to her eyes. I dreamed of you for so long."
Sequence, back to verse, pre-chorus, chorus, then transpose, which is change key.
Yeah, sure, I'll catch you morning. You had me well up in bed. Me on the porch, sipping water while you're sleeping. You kiss me, melody, just like a dream. It's but a catch your broken wings. I'm only 17, I don't know anything about this thing. Then you go apart again. Isn't it on your again? So let's rewind the
I hope you guys had fun with the lesson. Please feel free to request anything. Write to me on my comment section below. And thank you so much po once again sa lahat ng mga nag-like and subscribe sa aking channel, ang Kera. At sa lahat po ng hindi pa nakakapag-like at subscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. At huwag niyo pong kakalimutan i-click ang notification bell for more updates. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating bagong lesson ngayon. God bless! Ingat po kayo palagi! Bye!